Okay, so this is a 2017 Ford F-150 4x4. We built, this is a homemade light bar, bumper bar, whatever you want to call it. Built with angle iron going across, held by 2 bolts on each side on the existing bolts. So we didn't even have to take the nuts off the other one. We're using the same stud, just putting extra nuts on it. We welded 2x2 tubing underneath and built off of that. There's going to be 4 more lights going on here. These lights, they're ready to go. They light up. And what I'm doing this video for is on YouTube, I couldn't find anybody that did a decent video on where to run wiring from in the engine compartment to inside the cab. Now I'm all buttoned up and everything, and this is an afterthought, but I'll show you what we did. Now, by putting some light down here, my assistant will show you where we went down, and that goes all the way down.
Need light down there.
Past the, can you see it?
Nope.
All right. Now, it goes all the way down the fender well, or the wheel well, and it comes out by the frame bolt, the bolt that bolts the cab to the frame. Now we'll go underneath, and we found a perfect grommet. Alright. Now inside here, there's already a grommet. Now, we'll see if we can get better light. Can you light it up inside?
Yeah.
Almost. I'm pretty sure they can see. There'll be a grommet. Anyways, it's located right at the mud flap there. You'll see this right here is the cab bolt mount. Then along the body here, this comes up right beside the frame is right here. So now what we did, this wire is just for backup lights. I'll do that next week. But that's on a switch already made up top there. Now we went through the original grommet, and so it's all sealed and everything, and it's all still factory. I zip tied a couple things here. This is power wire. Now, I wonder if you can see it. Not the best view of it, but anyways, I'll show you inside where we went. Now, I'll tell you, this is the easiest way to go from the engine compartment to the interior. Now, right here, you'd have to open up both doors.
You need the light.
Now, right here, there's a long running board. Okay, mine's pretty dirty right now, but anyways, it comes up without any tools. You just pop it up, it presses down, and you'll expose another loom of wire under there. Then what you do is you take the kick panel off. It comes out this way. You don't have to undo the trunk release or the hood release. That isn't necessary. The carpet and everything I put up so that we could run stuff on, like wire underneath, but I didn't need to do that. So you could leave the carpet alone next time. all you got to do is take these pieces out here, and you'll see the grommet. The grommet's right beside where the carpet is in there, and the grommet just pops right out. You can, cut a star into it, and then run your wires through the grommet, then pop the grommet back in. It's easy. We're pretty much set up for the other set of lights. Unfortunately, this is the switch that came with the top set of lights, and I'll fix that later on. I'm going to put a regular switch on that, but right now this works. We've got those 3 switches down at the bottom. I'll be putting them, those ones there, they're going to come up behind the dash to this point here. They're just rectangle switches. And I'm going to mount those. There'll actually be 4, including that other one. And I'm going to mount them right into, right here. This spot here, I find, is pretty much the best spot for rectangular switches. This way I don't have to really mess up my interior. I could probably build a panel or something, but I don't think it's necessary. Other than that, that's the best way to get into your cab. All right, well, thank you very much. Bye-bye.